Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable or use Windows Hello Face to sign into your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and into the search, you just want to go ahead and search for settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the accounts tile. And now on the left side, select sign-in options. And on the right side where it says Windows Hello Face, you just go ahead and select that and then walk through the process of setting that up. So on our device, we don't actually have a camera connected. That's why it's not going to let us set it up. But you just follow through with the on-screen steps here, guys. Just pretty straightforward process on that. And that's all you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.